Check this out. Notice my lock button was fading. So I came up with an idea to paint it with my touch-up paint. Came out pretty good. Let me show you the other side. I haven't did the other side yet. See how that button is kind of faded? Ashy. So now it's gonna match my door handle. I put 2 coats on there and I got 1 coat of clear on there. So I'm gonna put 1 more coat of clear and that's gonna be a wrap. Man, that look good. That looks good. This is the touch-up paint pen for my car. That's the paint code right there, PAU. You can find this code by looking on the inside of your door. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna pull it out in the sun and let you get a better look at it. I tell you, this thing came out great. Look at that. Matches the door handle now. Compared to the other side. Check out how faded the other side is. When I thought about doing this, I had a feeling it was gonna work, man. I was confident that it was gonna work and it came out great. You have your clear coat down here on the bottom of the pen, and at the top of the pen, you have your little paintbrush right here. So just unscrew it. Wipe off the extra paint on the brush. And then just glide it across. Just like that. That's really all you do. Same with the clear coat. Clear coat's right here. Do it the same way as the paintbrush. And then just glide it across the surface like that. So I did 2 coats of each so it can kind of blend in with the paint that's already on the car. And that's it.